Part Creator. Welcome to Part Creator, an intelligent AI-assisted CAD tool designed to redefine 3D part creation. This tool is specifically tailored for engineers and designers, leveraging AI and Python scripting to deliver highly accurate parametric models. From gears to nuts, screws, and custom threads, Part Creator streamlines your workflow with precision and flexibility. The application supports over 20 parametric parts, offering intelligent editing capabilities, text-to-CAD functionality, and an AI assistant to help you create Python CAD scripts. Part Creator offers extensive gear modeling capabilities, supporting a comprehensive range of gear types, including spur, worm, bevel, rack, herringbone, ring, and planetary gears. You can precisely model complex parametric gears with full control over key parameters such as tooth counts, ensuring they meet your engineering design needs. The application also provides comprehensive ISO nut modeling capabilities, supporting a diverse range of nut types, including hex, flange, jam, square, domed cap, brad tee, heat set, and unchamfered hexagon nuts. With detailed control over parameters like size and thread pitch, you can create parametric nuts that perfectly fit your engineering and design specifications. Design ISO-compliant screws in numerous styles, including hex head flange, countersunk, cheese head with collar, pan head with collar, raised cheese head, raised countersunk, oval head, set screw, and socket head cap screws. Gain precise control over essential parameters such as length, thread size, and head type to ensure a perfect fit in your designs. Part Creator allows you to create robust, precise interior and exterior threads for your design applications. Define critical parameters such as pitch, major diameter, and length to achieve the desired thread specifications. The application supports ISO, ACME, metric, trapezoidal, and general threads, enabling you to enhance your designs with an array of smaller yet essential mechanical components such as chains, sprockets, I-beams, and pipes, all crafted through Part Creator's highly configurable parametric approach. Watch this category grow as more training data is integrated. Each part created using Part Creator stores the instructions or Python script used for its creation. Select the part in the inspector to review or edit parameters and regenerate your part as needed. Parts can also be created using the Copilot PPT AI agent. This agent is trained to take textual commands and convert them into Python scripts, which, when executed, create the precise part you need. Try out Part Creator and select from over 20 built-in parametric parts, create new parts using text-to-CAD, or execute custom Python scripts. Thank you for watching this overview of Part Creator. Whether you're designing intricate gears, precise fasteners, or any other parametric parts, Part Creator empowers you to work smarter and faster. Stay tuned for more tutorials on advanced features and techniques. Happy designing!